Hey everyone, a quick update on what's going on with Bitcoins today. So Bitcoin reached a 12-week highs of 79,400 this morning before pulling back. Here's exactly what happened. Many investors who bought Bitcoin back in late January and early February finally reached their break-even point right around $80,000 level. As soon as the price got close to that mark, a wave of selling kicks in. That's create real supply pressures and triggered over $71 million in liquidations, almost all of it from over-leveraged long positions. The drops was made even sharper because liquidities was thin in that $77,000 to $78,000 range. So price moved faster than many expected. This is what analysts are calling the break-even effect. It's a pattern we've seen many times before, that exits create a temporary sellings and caps how high the price can go in the short term. Even with this pullback, the overall market structures is still very healthy. On the institutional side, demand has been remarkably consistent. Crypto exchange traded products saw $1.2 billion inflows last week alone, making 4 straight weeks of positive flows. Now, US spot Bitcoin ETF have now recorded their longest inflow streak of the entire year, with net inflows topping roughly $2 billion in just April. BlackRock Bitcoin ETF alone is holding over 800,000 BTC. That's nearly 4% of all Bitcoins that will ever exist. So while we saw some short-term profits taken from retail levels buyers, the big money has been steadily absorbing that supplies and keeping the floor from breaking. The next major catalyst on everyone's minds is the Federal Reserve's 2 days meeting on April 28 and 29. Most analysts expect the Feds to leave interest rates unchanged, but the tones of Chair Powell comments afterward could move the market. Any signals about the pace of future rates cuts will be watched very closely. For long-term Bitcoin investor, this kind of pullback is actually healthy. The shakeout clear out weak leveraged positions while institutions continues to pour billions into Bitcoin's ETF. The bigger trend is firmly upward, and sustained move about $80,000 could open the doors to even higher levels in the coming months. Stay patient, the foundation remains strong, my friend.